So I'm going to show you in this video what I think is the best way to do ClickBank affiliate marketing. I know that if you do this consistently for at least 3 months, this method can get you from $0 to $500 per day in commissions consistently. Also keep in mind that this is all profits since this is 100% free traffic. Now, I'm going to showcase a real example that we guys have something real to look at. So like I said, this method can easily get you from $0 to $500 per day consistently if you're starting from scratch. Now, keep in mind, this is not a method that works in a week or 2 weeks or overnight. This strategy will take a minimum of 3 months of consistently doing this. That does take longer because I understand it can be frustrating to put all this work in for 2 months, 3 months, and not seeing any results. But again, if you have the right expectations, then you're going to have the right mindset. The first thing you need to do is obviously on ClickBank, you're going to find a niche and product that you want to promote. So keep in mind, this works with almost any product out there, whether it's ClickBank or another affiliate program. The example I'm going to use today is the work from home niche. So if you just go over to ClickBank, you will see that there's all kinds of work from home jobs you can promote. So the second thing you need to know for this is keyword research. This is going to be a crucial part of this strategy, as whatever niche or product you choose, you want to understand what keywords people are typing into YouTube around that niche. Now what we are going to do is go over to YouTube and start typing in different keywords around work from home jobs. So if we click on it, you're going to see a bunch of videos. Now we're going to see how many views they have and how competitive this keyword is. Again, I'm acting as if this were a brand new channel. So another thing you're going to need is a Chrome extension called TubeBuddy. We can see that TubeBuddy shows up and kind of shows me how much competition this keyword has. Now we can see for a brand new channel, it's showing 55 out of 100, which is not the best, as this is going to be a little bit competitive if you are a brand new channel. So that's something to keep in mind. So what we can do next, if the keyword is too competitive again, we want to start brainstorming ideas, doing keyword research. Another thing you can do instead of typing in more keywords is you can look at the channels who are newer, who are smaller, and see what videos are popping off for them. I can see this channel called the Remote Job Guru. She has 49 videos and 66,000 subscribers. So she's fairly new and has a smaller channel. She's also in the exact niche that we want to go in. Now, I want to go and see her most popular videos. Make sure to not to look for her most popular videos, but the newest popular videos. So we can see a bunch of her videos are blowing up and are fairly recent. So you can just use one of the new popular video as a model and build your channel around it. If I keep going down here, you can see that all her videos only have a couple thousand views. It looks like almost all of her subscribers came from the popular videos on the top. So these might be a very good video that we could go after. Because if this blew up for a brand new channel, chances are we can get 10k views from a video that we make from it if it's decently put together and a better thumbnail than this. So this is what all we're doing. We're using other channels. We're seeing what's doing really good on brand new channels and how we can model that. Once you actually do this keyword research and go some more examples, the next step that we want to do is we want to start creating content for the keywords. Now I'm going to take you over to how I do manage my content for my channel. Simply put, I just use Trello board to manage my channel. What we can see here is basically how I'm making the content. On the left, I have video ideas. I have videos that I want to produce. Then I have videos where I send it to the editor. Then I have a place where I can review the videos. As I make the videos, I'm kind of moving it along in these different columns. I just make the thumbnail and model other thumbnails that I want to make. And it kind of just gives an idea of how I recommend actually creating content on your YouTube channel. If you're doing a strategy like this, you'll be knowing what kind of videos you're going to make 3 months in advance and just having all of that planned out. This is going to be much easier than just trying to think of a video and then making it quickly. You just need to plan it out and really take some time on the thumbnails and on the titles. For example, I made this video. Inside it, I can kind of know what the video is going to be about. I have my outline right here that I can pull up and reminds me of what I talked about in this video. So this is why I recommend using some kind of Trello board like this, but you can also use an Excel sheet if you want to. Let's say we're starting this brand new channel around work from home jobs. So I'm going to screenshot her thumbnail. Again, I'm not going to copy it. I'm just going to have an idea of what the thumbnail is going to look like and potentially how I can make it better. So I'm just going to copy the title from this video, go back to the Trello board and add this as a card. And then I can go into this card and I can add a cover. Now this is going to show up in my Trello board. So keep in mind, we don't want to copy the same exact title. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to give myself different ideas of titles I can do. Maybe instead of 15, I'm going to do 20. That's the first change I can make. I can make it a different number that gives me a way to stand out and make people click on my videos instead of hers. So maybe we could change work from home jobs to maybe something like online jobs. But note that we want to keep the general concept as similar as possible. You can notice that we just made a few quick changes and we have a completely different video title. Similarly, we can make a different thumbnail. Now we can start outlining this video. We can start brainstorming what these 20 jobs are. So we can do number 1 XYZ, maybe job number 2 is another XYZ. So whatever it is, I would start researching what this video is really about. Simply, I'd start watching her video on this topic, see what the jobs are that she talks about. Then we can just pick the ones we like most, watch other videos on this topic as well, and get some ideas from other people's channels. You can basically create this whole video and research everything in less than an hour. Now you have a solid video idea that did really good on a brand new channel, and chances are it's going to do good for us too. And literally all you have to do is post one video per week on YouTube. It's not like social media where you have to post every day. Do that for 3 months and I guarantee you, you're going to start seeing results coming in. Now, the only steps after that is making the thumbnail. So you just need to make thumbnails that really stand out. Obviously, you can hire someone on Fiverr and tell them to make you a similar thumbnail as this. That's probably the best option for most people. Or if you have a little bit experience with using Canva, you can start brainstorming your own brand of thumbnails. All you do is you crop a photo of yourself. Make it transparent so you can put yourself in the image. Then you can get some kind of background for the thumbnail. Simply use the kind of background that's related to your niche. Then what you want to do from there is, you want to use very big words that stand out. Make sure to use only 3 to 4 words max so they catch viewers' eyes. The whole point of this thumbnail is to stand out, make them curious about the video, and then watch it. So once you get the thumbnails dialed in, the only thing you really need to do from there is having some kind of call to action in the video. You just need to put your funnel links in the description or just drag them straight to your affiliate link, and this is how you're going to start getting traffic. Also making sure in the video to mention the affiliate platform and make them curious about it. Once you do all that, go back to keyword research and you repeat these steps. You do that over and over again for 3 months straight, and I guarantee you, even if your first video doesn't pop off, one of them is going to. After that, it's going to be easier for your next videos to get views if you keep on doing these steps and you keep on doing it the right way. Remember, success in ClickBank comes from choosing the right products, understanding your audience, and consistently delivering valuable content. Anyways, thanks for watching.